Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have x belongs from 0 to b. And we know that this is about sine x. That means from 0 to b, sine x is about positive. So because this is about positive, everything in here is about positive under from 0 to b. Now let's go to analyze. We have the formula in here. 2 sine a cosine a equals to sine 2a. Sine a square plus cosine a square equals to number 1. So about x, that is about number 2 multiplied by x over 2. Now we need to transform this one into this one. So we have 2 sine of x over 2 cosine of x over 2. Number 1, that is about sine of x over 2 square plus cosine of x over 2 square. Next, we have the formula in here. A square plus 2ab plus b square equals to a plus b to the power of 2. So this one we transformed into this one. So we have sine of x over 2 plus cosine of x over 2, everything to the power of 2. So because this one is about positive, so everything in here is about positive. Now if we simplify the power 2, you got like this. Next, we have the formula in here. The integration of sine ax dx, we have negative cosine of ax over a, and I will put about c. The integration of cosine ax dx, we have sine ax over a, and I will put about c. Now we can apply two formulas in here, and we got the final answer. And we got about number 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.